Alright, this is a video of the QT350 2000 model. This just shows the outer appearance, which also shows in the pictures that we sent earlier. Most of the panels are nice and straight, and I took one of these guards out back here so we can see it's fairly clean back here. And the power unit is nice and clean, no excessive noise, and no apparent leaks. Now all the panels are fairly straight, and we put some new lipstick on it so it looks nice and presentable. And I will run another video on the operations of it here in a second. Alright, I just want to show you some of the functions here. Tailstock movement, has an electric motor in the back there, back and forth, and then of course the quill itself moves by hydraulics. All that is working like it's supposed to. And then the measuring arm, the tool measuring arm also works properly, including the micro switches, all four. And there it goes back. And then I got a little small program that I put together just to see how the movements in X and Z axis with the spindle. And let's see if we can up that and running here. The spindle runs at, you can see it here. Oh, spindle 1000 RPM right there. And then X and Z axis, you can barely see the movement. Only noise you hear there is the apron dragging against the wipers in the back, because it's not lubricated. It was all dried up and clean. So that's about it.